Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for Shopify. Keep the bays busy with conversation intelligence. A recent Google report shows that over 25% of auto-related searches online are related to parts, service, and maintenance. Are you showing up for your prospects? CallRail's AI-powered conversation intelligence suite helps dealerships uncover common over-the-phone service inquiries so they can tailor their digital marketing to answer real questions and boost their fixed ops appointments. Learn more from your phone calls. Know the keywords your callers use to optimize your bidding. Here are the questions your callers ask to train your salespeople. See the ads your callers click to maximize their marketing budget. Connect phone and web leads to your marketing. Add form tracking to call tracking and open up insights into all your lead activity. Try it free to find out which marketing works, online and off. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.